Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reducing chain tension. Shift to the smallest chainring and smallest rear cog so the chain is slack. Put on gloves and eye protection to prevent cuts or grease in eyes. Once done, stabilize the bike on a stand or lean it securely. This keeps the chain from moving. Now position master link pliers or a flathead screwdriver at the link. Apply controlled pressure toward the chain center to start spreading the master link plates apart. You want measured force, not a sudden yank. You now focus on separating the two plates of the master link. Use pliers to compress both outer plates inward toward the chain center. This releases the retaining clip or pin. If the link is stiff, flex the chain laterally back and forth while maintaining pressure. This helps the pins clear the slots. Make sure to keep pressure parallel to the chain plane. Twisting can damage the link. Once the clip clears, let the plates relax and slide the link apart, removing it gently so you don't lose small parts. Finish by cleaning the exposed link and inspecting pins and plates for nicks or wear. Replace the master link if any damage appears. If the clip won't budge, apply a drop of penetrating oil, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then try compressing again. Patience prevents breakage. Once removed, either install a new master link following manufacturer orientation or reconnect the chain with correct tension. Finally, rotate the cranks slowly to verify smooth engagement. Make sure there's no skipping before you ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.